Welcome. So today I am with SoundPeats H2 and I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this device. So as you can see, I have right here the connection problem with my headphones, and just take a look. We have to simply unpair them from the phone at the first, and the next we have to put them right here to the charging case. And as you know, in this place we can find this touch controls and also the LED indicators. So we have to click and hold both buttons for at least 10 seconds until these indicators blink twice on the red and the white. So let's try to make it right now. Click and hold right here and take a look on the indicator. Okay, it blinks. So right now we can release, close the case, turn off the Bluetooth, turn it on back. Open it back and then turn on this headset. Oh my god, this Bluetooth feature on the phone. Tap on the SoundPeats H2, accept the pairing request, and there it is. As you can see, that's how we can pair from the hard reset, and that's how we can fix the connection problem with the SoundPeats and your phone. It will look the same on the Android, iOS, or any other device. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.